Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2018 Ford Kuga Zetec. This car comes with the 1.5 diesel turbo engine and the manual gearbox, which is Ulez compliant, returning up to 64 miles to the gallon. An insurance group of 15, and this is a one-owner vehicle, having covered just over 19,000 miles and comes with full service history from Ford. This stunning colour is called Deep Impact Blue and looks in really good condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have at the side, with a nice clean interior, looks in great condition. The seats are really supportive, and there's a armrest and two cup holders there in the centre for the front passengers. And the first owner shows satellite navigation, so you have that as well as DAB radio and Bluetooth on the multimedia screen. And this car also comes with climate control as well as cruise control there on the steering wheel. The Kuga's a great car for the family. So as you open the rear doors, you have lots of legroom and headroom. So for example, if you're getting children in and out of car seats. And the rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and also rear passengers have 2 air vents as well as a 12-volt socket there in the back. Opening the tailgate reveals a good sized boot there that goes back a nice way, with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. And then underneath the boot floor you have your space saver wheels, so that's good to see. Externally, the car comes with daytime running lights and the 17-inch alloy wheels. The first owner also chose rear parking sensors as well. The car's been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind, and you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we offer finance from just 10.9%. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.